When I get low, when I get low, when I look outside.
Good morning, my loves. Happy Thursday. Today is maintenance day.
Okay, y'all, so I wasn't gonna record today. I was actually going to take a nap on my lunch, but I need to record. I haven't recorded in a while because I needed a break. I was sick. But if I want my goals to reflect for next year, I don't have time to not record. So I'm gonna record a few videos, and they're sit down videos because my channel is kind of going to transition to more talking about finances. Well, it's all me though, like how I want my finances to be, my growth as far as my relationship with money. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be back. I've been watching a new young lady because I've been needing to find new vloggers, and I found her and she's so dope to me. Her name is Maya Galore. I'll leave her channel name on the screen. So let me go ahead and finish. You guys are blinking. I need to put you guys on a charger anyway. So I'll be back. So hello guys, I just finished recording this look for TikTok and Instagram reel. Yeah. Right now I'm watching my girl Talitha. I think that's how you say her name. Let me see. Yes, Talitha Jane. She puts the kids on when it comes to like content and stuff, and I just love her. She's just young and grinding. I'm going to eat a slice or two of pizza because this is literally my last like hoorah of eating completely trash. I've been eating so bad for the past basically 2 months because of Thanksgiving and Christmas and now New Year's. Tomorrow I'm eating good again, y'all, and then it is food that I really like. So tomorrow is like my last day of that, and then it's back to what I was on before, which is like eating more healthy. Because your girl, I'm finna lose some weight. Like, I know a lot of people get on here and be like, oh, I want a healthy lifestyle. No, I want a healthy lifestyle, of course, but I have to lose weight, and I don't want to. I do feel like people hop into surgeries really quickly, and I don't want to do that. So I have to be disciplined on me eating, and really learning about how to eat better, because my thing is where I'm trying to go in life, to be honest, I have to not be at a certain weight, but be at a certain weight. I'm just being honest. Like, the stuff that I'm trying to do, I can't be the size that I am. I'm just being honest, you know. I'm confident still in my size, but what I'm trying to do, I have to lose weight for. So yeah, till I am back feeling really, really good. I was sick as a dog. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some pizza and get me a fat cup of juice, fat, with me some chips on the side, and then I'm gonna record this video. Yes, girl, this bob is so old. This hair is even older. But let me tell you something, my vendor is the bomb.
Opening it, but then I saw it.
Some of my daughter ranch got on it.
We can't let this slide. I don't even know if I told you guys. I spent $1,000 on a pair of shoes for my birthday. You wrapped, you're kidding. Bruh, quit. I feel like I don't deserve to put on my feet. My toes are.
So anyway, y'all, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. I'm gonna try to vlog tomorrow. I have to be up early tomorrow. I can't wait till I just don't have to go to work no more. I'm just, ugh. But I gotta go to work tomorrow. Get up at 7, but I get off early. Tomorrow's probably gonna be really slow, so I'm probably gonna do my makeup and stuff tomorrow. Like, I really want to wear my other side part wig. I just love that wig, but my lace on there just don't be sitting right. So I may fix it tomorrow though. So y'all, I'm gonna take this makeup off and go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow to do my wrong side. Oh my God. So we doing big though. Okay, you guys, so here's the printer, and it is huge. Okay, big. It was missing a knob to connect to this one, but it's still connected. I need to plug it up, but I'm trying to sanitize it and wipe it down. So I thought it had a scanner on the top, but it do not. And I think I'm gonna put it on the floor down here, because it's just way too big up here on my desk. It's just too big. So I'm gonna put it down here on the floor. I don't feel like okay, it's coming on, I guess. No paper NT2. So I have to get me some legal paper just so I can see if it'll print. But it's on, so I think that's good. trying to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Hey guys! So y'all, I just did like some content. I have to edit the content. Let me get another light. And it's New Year's Eve. I dropped my daughter off, so right now I'm home alone. And I'm about to edit my New Year's video. Tomorrow when I go and pick her up, I am going to be dressed again. Because I want to take some photos, outside photos. I told you guys in 2022, there are going to be more photos. Well, I already started. A lot of stuff that I want to do in 2020 is already started. So I told you guys I'm going to be taking more outside photos, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to do tomorrow. So I'm going to get up. My outfit is already out. I want to take a picture in 2 outfits, but I don't know how I'm going to change. So I'm just going to do my 1 outfit and then take some pictures in that, and probably do it again next weekend before it starts snowing really bad. But I'm going to be doing hair videos more because I'm getting tape in. So those will be here this week, and then I'm going to record that. But yeah, I'm going to be doing like just outfit video, like outfits, styling and stuff like that. So that's it. I just want to come in and let you guys know I'm here, girl. I hope you guys are having a good New Year's Eve. I see a lot of people are not going anywhere. I'm not. I'm just not going to risk it, especially with me being a mom, and I just don't want to be sick no more, especially with this new stuff. I don't want nothing. So I'm about to edit this video and then sip on me some wine cooler my mama bought. And y'all, my eyes are kind of getting red, so I kind of feel like it's hitting me. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna bring you guys with me when I go pick up my daughter, so she can take my photos, and then I'll like prop you guys up so you guys can see that for this week's vlog. And yeah, that's it. See you guys. Y'all, I feel like torture. I can't let my daughter be cold. She ain't got no glove. Okay. Okay, put this in the big bag. Okay, y'all, so I gotta go to Walmart so I can pay a bill. It's too cold though, but
Jesus.
y'all, look at my eye. It's literally leaking.
I